Well, here I am with Beanie, and he's been having a fit all day long, haven't you? All day long he's been having a fit. He really misses baby. Baby went to heaven. Baby went to heaven. He's not here. He went to heaven. I'm sorry. And he's just having a fit. He just won't stop. He's been looking in his cage and having a fit all day like this, screaming about everything. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry, honey. I'm so sorry. And I don't know what to do except put up with him. He drove me almost completely mad earlier today, and then I had to get a grip because, well, I was upset about some other stuff, but he doesn't understand. Oh, I'm so sorry. My poor Beanie. Oh, you want to look at your giraffe? Look. You want to see your giraffe? Here. Want to see your giraffe? Look. Come on. Beep. I know. I wish I could do something for him. This is really hard because I've been very sad too. He doesn't understand, and yeah. I thought Mom was in there. Oh no, I got the bird out. Is everything okay? Yeah. Okay. Beanie. My nephew. Families. This is all so new, and then poor Beanie, because I just moved. It was too much for my baby. Poor Beanie. Look, you're in the video. Do you want to be special? You're a special bird. Special bird? Okay, I gotta turn off the video now. If anybody has any ideas, let me know. It gets pretty difficult, but I do have chamomile tea for Beanie, right? Chamomile tea. Okay, bye everybody. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be wonderful for me. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can be on the program where I can make money and help myself, my family, and more birds. Someday I would like to have, I have a similar dream like Marlene McCohen. Hers is completely unique though, but about, I don't know how many years ago, in 2007, I learned about a sanctuary that took in homeless veterans, that took care of homeless parrots. They were called Serenity Parrot Sanctuary, and now it's, oh darn, they're bigger now. They take in other animals too, and veterans go and take care of them, and they get well. Especially veterans that have post-traumatic stress. And well, my dream is to have something like that and spread them throughout the world and have permanent homes for people and birds. Permanent places for birds and people. And they heal each other. It really works. It works better than pills and therapy. It's just taking care of another creature, right, Beenie? Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much. Bye-bye.